Want a fast, reliable, and widely used browser on your Windows PC? Google Chrome is one of the most popular browsers for good reason: speed, extensions, and seamless syncing across devices. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Google Chrome on your Windows PC, from downloading it from the official site to setting it up as your go-to browser. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Click on the Windows Start icon at the bottom, and then click on Microsoft Edge, which is the default web browser for Windows. On your web browser, type in Google Chrome. Here you can tap on Download Google Chrome for your Windows. Once the download has completed, it will automatically install it onto your computer. Once the installation has been completed, you can add your own Chrome profile by signing in to your Google account. Once you have signed in, Google Chrome will prompt you if you want to turn on Sync, which means that you can back up your stuff and use it on any device as long as you sign in to the same Google profile. If you just want to keep this Google profile on this computer, click on No Thanks. Once you have finished customizing the Google Chrome settings, you're all set to go. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful videos like this. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and bye bye.